Hey guys, it's Mr. Richards. I'm just here to show you how to use the homework hints on our homework. So when you come in here and you've got your paper, you've kind of seen the top, you've labeled your notebook. As you start to go through the problems, you're going to notice some homework helps here. Make sure you click on those. They are very helpful. So you click on it, open up that link, and it'll bring you to a page that has hints on it. And as this opens up, it says, again, for this problem, it says, which is greater, 3 sets of 5 minus 2, or 2 sets of 2 plus 3? Draw diagrams to support your conclusion. So we try this, get the first hint. It says, simplify each expression, compare the results. So simplify it. So 5 minus 2, 2 plus 3. If you still need another hint, it's still here. Think for your diagram, is there any way to draw grouping numbers that represent the figures? So this group of this, a group of this, and keep going. And then you can check your answer by this one giving you the answer on this one. So again, walk through those steps. Use the ones you need. If you can get there after the first one, just use the first one and then check your answer at the end. But this is great to be able to do that homework help. When you're finished with that homework help and you kind of finish the homework, you can make sure to go to the part where the directions, and make sure that you guys are labeling your slides at the end and marking them as done once you put them in your virtual notebook. Don't forget the virtual notebook step, and don't forget to label that slide so we know which one you're handing in. Sometimes it's tough to read, and do your best to take your best picture. Thank you. Have a great day.